outstanding design defines the 2020 Ioniq Plug-in Hybrid. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback leads among competitors in its segment. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, lane departure warning, remote keyless entry, and much more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. Hyundai also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.